Chapter 2. How to use dark psychology to manipulate others. People around us may use dark psychology tactics every day to manipulate, influence, persuade, and intimidate us to take advantage and get what they want. As you get to know that dark psychology includes the science and art of mind control and manipulation. Whereas psychology is different from dark psychology as it is the study of human behavior and our actions, interactions, and thoughts are centered with them. Some people get confused and don't know the difference between psychology and dark psychology. However, if you want to manipulate others, you need to know how to use dark psychology. Here are a different kind of people who know the tactics of manipulating others. A manipulation is an art, and you need to know the tactics to meet your needs first, even at someone else's expense. Though these kinds of people are known to be self-centered, and they are good when it comes to manipulating and intimidating others. These people are not bothered with the outcomes, but they have an agenda of self before others, no matter what. The people who are good public speakers use dark psychological and persuasion tactics to maximize the emotional state of the listeners, which leads to increase in the sale of their product, whatever they were selling to the audience. These people also know the moment and time of taking advantage of the emotional turmoils of other people. See, some people meet clinical diagnosis as they are true sociopaths. However, these people usually are intellectual, alluring, but alongside they are impulsive. Just because these people do not have much ability to feel remorse and lack of emotionality, they build a superficial relationship and take advantage of innocent people by using dark tactics. They are not concerned about anyone's feelings and are least bothered with what others might do once the innocents know about their true face. D people in politics, usual politicians, use dark tactics to persuade people that they will do the needful and perform the activities in favor of the common people just to get a vote and to become the ruling party. Some lawyers or attorneys focus solely on winning their case regardless of knowing the truth, and even after knowing the truth, using dark manipulating tactics to get the outcome of what they want to win the case. They are not bothered about justice, but are only concerned about their reputation and self-esteem. F. People in corporate offices who are in a higher position and deployed as the company's regional head use dark psychological tactics to get compliance, higher performance, or greater efforts from their subordinates. They are not cared about what their subordinates deserve, or is their salary justified as per the work they are performing within the organization. G people who are involved in the sales department are usually well aware of many of these dark influencing tactics to persuade and convince other people to
buy whatever they are selling. They could even disguise the customers, as they are only concerned with selling their product and earning a profit. Now that you got to know about different types of people who may deceive you by using these dark tricks, here are the different dark psychological tactics to manipulate the people and make them do what you want them to do. 1. If you want to sell your product and wish to manipulate your customers to make them surely buy your product, you can use a decoy option. You can use it as the third option. For example, if you are facing a troublesome situation, to sell the more expensive of two products, by adding the third option, you can make the expensive product more captivating and appealing. You just need to make sure that decoy option should be the same price for the more expensive option, but assuring that it is less effective. It is a good strategy to increase the sale and enticing more customers towards your expensive product. 2. To win an argument, speak quickly so that the opponent has no other option left but to agree with you. If you speak faster, it will give the other person the less time to process what you are saying, and they will agree with you. While you should do the opposite in case when the other person agrees with you, speaking slowly is better as it will give them the time to evaluate and analyze what you are saying. 3. You can copy the body language of people whom you want to manipulate. Imitating their body actions shall impress them and will make you closer to them, and they may start liking you. If you subtly imitate the way the other person is talking, sitting, and walking, they would probably not notice that you are copying them, and it may get them to do as per your wants. 4. Scaring the other people to make them give you what you want and need is one of the dark psychological tactics to manipulate people. Anxious people often respond positively to requests afterward, as they may be occupied thinking about the danger they are surrounded with. It would make them feel scared and would do as you're saying. In addition, sometimes, even if you will not say anything, they will understand what you need and do what you would have spoken them to do for you. 5. To get people to behave ethically with you, you need to display an image of eyes. It means you should create your image as a person who watches, notice, and observe the other person by posting a picture of eyes nearby. The other people could never take you like a side option and will return all borrowed items on time. 6. Tweak such an environment for the people so that they would act less selfish. For example, if you were bargaining in a coffee shop, needless to say, you would be less aggressive as compared to what you would be in a conference room. Usually, people tend to act less selfish when neutral items surround them, whereas if work-related objects occupy them, they incline towards more aggression and selfishness.
7. Try to keep your point complicated and do not make it very easy for the people to understand in a first move. To comply with people with your request, confuse them. For example, instead of keeping a price tag of your product for $4, make it for 00 pennies, so that people would first analyze how much dollars would for 00 pennies make, and if they bargain they will do that in pennies rather than in dollars. Or they may just think that the price given is a deal to go for. 8. If you help someone to achieve their goals or sort their problems out, the other person tends to return your favor, as they would feel obliged by what you have done for them. This way, when the time comes, you may manipulate the other person and is one of the tactics. 9. Try to ask a question or request a person at a time when they are mentally drained and exhausted. They would never question the request, or the chances of denial for your request are very less. 10. Always make the other person focus on their gaining, not losing. Moreover, declare the price of your product at last after telling all the features and benefits of your product. For instance, if you are selling your car in $1,000, always let the other person know about its features, specifications, and benefits first. Then declare its price. The benefits will entice the customer towards the car, and then the price shall not be a constraint. 11. Do not use verbs. Try to use more nouns to change the behavior of the other person towards you. If you use nouns, it will reinforce the identity of the person for whom you may be using it. It will also indicate a specific group which shall be eloquent.